Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little bit of a mail call. I had two members of the community actually send me some things in the mail. The first one is this kit in front of you. That was sent by James Morris himself. This is going to go and be part of the, I forgot what the heck it's called, the underwater buggy from Thunderball that I was building and still working on. So this one is a 1/35th scale. I think the underwater buggy is a 1/32nd scale. Now, that's so darn close, I'm not even going to worry about it. So I'm going to make these guys, you can see a couple of them guys are sitting down. I think I'm going to cut their legs and make them look like they're swimming. And so I'm going to end up having to cut their legs, use some model sculpt and stuff like that. I think this guy's almost close enough to be in swimming stance. And so I'm going to have him swimming with it, make it kind of more like the scene out of the movie. It is a pretty cool kit. But it comes with the three guys in the boat. A couple loose pieces in there. A little base plate. Scuba head. And all the cool pieces to it. Thank you so much, James. I really appreciate it. I think it's going to look great with the kit when it's all said and done. I might have to get me another one of these and do those little one-man buggy things. If you watch the movie, you know what I'm talking about. The one on eBay I think is still there. It's been there for a while. And they want like $200 or something for it. So thank you, James. That's going to be really appreciated. And it's going to look cool when it's all done, I hope. And make it a nice little scene. So it is the little added touch that I think that kit needed. Another thing I got in the mail not too long ago is from Papa Dan. A lot of you guys are getting those tokens. If you're in his group build, he's been making these tokens. They're really cool. It's a nice idea. Nice little trophy. Kind of like what it reminds me of is those car meets when you got those dash plaques. You know, these are like the new model car dash plaques, I guess. So that's really cool. Thank you, Papa Dan. The one has his little channel name, Hobby Time with Papa Dan, and the other one was the 2020 MiG Tiger group build. I think I was in this one. Yep, 2 years. I did that one, and let's see if I can get this little guy out of here without causing a ruckus. And that one. I did those two. And then the one I was showing you guys not too long ago. That was my egg plane. The burners, or the afterburners, they're still doing alright. The model itself's doing fine. But my little 3D printed thing is still cracking even more. Go figure. So, I gotta redo that. Got another egg plane. Who the hell knows where it went? Probably flew away or hatched. And it's on the other side of the room. But, thank you, Papa Dan. Can't wait till the next one. I don't know if I have any Ming Tiger kits. I guess that's the deformed group build now. I know I have a ton of egg planes. So looking forward to that. Those builds are always pretty fun. They're nice and, you know, enjoyable. They're not a big pain in the neck like some kits can be. So and next on the list is the GI Mechanic scale modeling. So he ended up sending me one of his shop cards. It's super great. He was down at Acme not too long ago when that was, and he was actually signing them and handing them out. Well, I didn't make it to Acme, but really appreciate your new card. I have one of these kits. It's 1/35 scale, and it's got more parts than 1/24 scale kits. Imagine that. So I haven't got to that yet. They were pretty cool. I really appreciate the shop card. It will go with the rest of them in a nice collection. So Cliff, thank you so much. I hope you have a great one. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I have really not been posting. I haven't posted nothing, I think, for 2 weeks now. And so I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm really far on videos, so I might not get to see everybody's video. I apologize for that, but I'll try to catch up. And so until next time, I hope you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you then. Bye.